Hi viewers, students, teachers, wishing to all. This is MU's Kalviyamudu channel. Welcome to our class Refresher Course Module 6th Standard Assessment Part Reading Comprehension. Reading Comprehension. In this topic, responding to comprehension questions related to stories and poems in home language or English or sign language, orally and in writing. First, read out a short passage or story aloud twice, asking a few questions based on the passage or story. You have to answer the questions. In our module, given a story about the cows and the lion. You are all known very well in this story. 4 cows lived in a forest near a meadow. They were good friends and ate everything together. They grazed together and stayed together, because of which no tigers or lion were able to kill them for food. But one day, the friends fought with each other and went to graze in a different direction separately. A lion saw this and decided that it was the perfect opportunity to kill the cows. The lion hid in the bushes and surprised the cows and killed them all one by one. This is the story given in our module. Let us go to the question part. First one is, who were good friends? In this story, who were good friends? 4 cows were good friends. Second question, why did the cows go to graze separately? The cows were fought with each other, so they went to the grass separately. What have you learnt from this story? இந்த கதையிலிருந்து நீங்கள் என்ன தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டீங்க? Unity is strength. Display a poster and share your views. In this activity, given a poster picture and share your views like this. Water is essential for all the living beings on the earth. We should avoid wasting water. We should not pollute water. Water is one of the precious resources of our Mother Earth. We must be aware of the importance of saving water. Another activity is, look at the picture and answer the questions in 2 or 3 lines. Given an advertisement or poster is displayed on the wall. For example, poster on environmental protection. Look at the picture and answer the questions in 2 or 3 lines. Our first question is, what do you infer from this poster? We celebrate World Environment Day on 5th June every year. Why do we celebrate World Environment Day? We celebrate World Environment Day for encouraging worldwide awareness and action to protect our environment. The third question, what must do we do to protect our environment? Using reusable bags, growing more trees and plants, saving natural resources, keeping clean our surroundings. We move on the next student activity. Read the story individually and write a paragraph about the story. Some stories are there. The hare and the tortoise, the monkey and the crocodile, the golden goose, the ant and the grasshopper, and the 3 little pigs. Sample stories topics are there. You have to read individually and questions for writing a paragraph. Like, write a few lines about the character which you like the most in the story. What have you learnt from the story? Write a paragraph about the story. So these are the things you have to write a paragraph about the story. Improve your language skills. Okay. Got it, children? Okay. Shall we move on the assessment part? Assessment worksheet. Read the story and answer the following questions. Read the story and listen it carefully. One day a fox became very hungry and went in search for some food. He searched everywhere but couldn't find anything that he could eat. Finally, he went in a vineyard. He saw some bunches of grapes hanging from the vines. He tried to reach them but they were too high. To reach the grapes, the fox had to jump high in the air. As he jumped, he opened his mouth to catch the grapes, but he missed. The fox tried again, but missed it again. He tried a few more times, but kept failing. Finally, the fox decided it was time to give up and go home. While he walked away, he muttered, "I'm sure the grapes were sour anyway." So, this is the story for you children. First question, give a suitable title for the story. The Fox and the Vineyard. Second question is, did the fox eat the grapes? No, the fox did not eat the grapes. Third question, why did the fox give up eating the grapes? The fox gave up eating the grapes because he tried a few more times but kept failing. Our fourth question is, what did the fox say to himself? I'm sure the grapes were sour anyway. The fifth question is, what do you think about the fox? The fox adapts itself to the situation. I think and hope all of you understood. We are enjoying these story sessions and the topic is reading comprehension. Keep watching. We will see the next video class. Thanks for watching. This is MU's Kalvi Amudu channel. Like, share, comment and do subscribe our channel. Thank you friends.